Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Arielle. This is where we do a little bit of beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you're a returning subscriber, hello, welcome back, and thank you for sticking with me. So today I am going to introduce you my new babies. So y'all know how much I love my wigs. I love hair. I am addicted to it. So I just got a new one, the latest from LUVME hair. So they got this pretty nice kinky fluffy hair that I couldn't let it pass by, so I got my hands on it. And alright, so whoop. Oh, okay. Well, they're nice enough to give us a grip as well, but I usually don't use this. Okay, so let's see what we got. So this is the hair itself. Oops, we got that off. Wow, so it is a 70s, yeah, kind of like 70s hair. So this is what it looks like. It is pretty fluffy. It is human hair, as you can see, really bouncy. You have an elastic band that is already sewn in, and it is adjustable as well if you have a small scarf. And if your scarf is normal, or let me say if it's a little bit big like mine, then we put it all the way at the end. I know beauty hurts, but I am about to cause no circulation of my brain. So this is what it looks like inside. Whew, it's so hard to get it over because it is so fluffy. So here we go. It comes with a side part, so we have a lace throughout there. It has clips on the side and on the side, and the one at the back. And of course, you have a traditional band as well. So, all right. Edges wise, that's what it looks like, and that is the lace as well. It looks more like a brown lace. That is what we got in this one, but that's what the hair itself looks like. Now let's see what it's gonna look like on me. It's been quite a while since I wear the afro kinky, so let's see what this one is gonna look like. First of all, let's cut out the lace. So I put the LUVME wig cap on, and now let's try this. Okay, so this is what we got right out of a box, and I am loving it. The fact that my hair never go curly or like this afro, oh my goodness, I am in love with this. And this is right out of the box. I just got the lace. The pattern is there already, and oh my god, can you guys see? It's like literally, I don't see it. It is invisible. So that is all we got. Let me know what you think in the comment box. Okay, so I got my latest hair on, and I'm really loving it right now. I love my Afro kinky. So this is the final look after I put my wig on. So you guys, please let me know what you think in the comment box, and if you have not subscribed already, don't forget to do so. Like, comment, share, forward it to your friends, and I'll see you next Sunday. Thank you. Bye bye.